Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're talking about Emotional Intelligence 2.0, which sounds very high tech, like we just downloaded an update for our feelings. Congratulations, your empathy has been upgraded, bugs fixed included. Overreacting to emails and crying over Wi Fi issues? Let's be honest, most of us think we are emotionally intelligent until someone says, "Hey, can we talk?" Suddenly, we're not a calm, self aware adult anymore. We're buffering circle. So, what is emotional intelligence 2.0? Emotional intelligence 1.0 was I have feelings. Well, then 2.0 is I know I have feelings. I know why I have feelings. And I don't send that email. Emotional intelligence 2.0 has four upgrades. One, self awareness. Two, self management. And three, social awareness. Now, four is the biggie, relationship management. Or as I like to call them, ooh, that's why I'm annoyed. So maybe don't say that. Or, okay, let's fix this without the drama. So let's upgrade. Upgrade number one, self awareness. Self awareness is realizing you're not angry about the meeting, you're hungry. There's a big difference, okay? Emotional intelligent people pause and ask, is this a real issue or do I just need a snack? Sometimes the most emotionally intelligent thing you can say is, I'm not upset, I'm just low battery. Now, upgrade number two, self management. Self management is the ability to feel emotions without letting them run the company. All right, your emotions are consultants, not the CEO. You can listen to them, but you don't let panic schedule the meeting. Okay? Self management is when you type a long emotional message, read it, delete it, and instead write, thanks for your feedback. That's maturity, that's power, that's emotional intelligence 2.0. All right? Now, upgrade number three, social awareness. Now, this is reading the room. It's noticing when someone says, I'm fine, but their face says, I am absolutely not fine. Social awareness is realizing that not everyone processes things like you do. Some people need space, some need reassurance, some just need a coffee. So, now we're going to get to upgrade number four, relationship management, which I know you're all looking forward to. Now, this is where the magic happens. It's choosing curiosity over conflict. Instead of, why would you do that? Try, help me understand what happened. One starts a fight, the other starts a conversation. So, emotionally intelligent people don't avoid hard conversation. They just don't turn them into reality TV. So, the truth about emotional intelligence 2.0 is this. It doesn't mean you never get frustrated. It means you don't let frustrations drive the car. Okay? It doesn't mean you never mess up. It means you can say, I was wrong. Which, let's be honest, might be the most advanced feature of all. So, today, let's upgrade. Pause before reacting, ask before assuming, and snack before arguing. Because emotional intelligence 2.0 isn't about being perfect, it's about being aware, being intentional, and occasionally putting yourself on do not disturb mode. Thank you. And may your emotions be stable and your emails be unsent. I'll see you later.